4 tips for clean hardwood floors. Dear friends thinking about installing new hardwood floors but not sure how much maintenance they will require. Wondering what's the right way to clean hardwood floors? You might be wondering, do you use a steamer, vacuum, mop, chemicals, water only? Not to worry. Here in this video we have covered with a quick-to-follow 4-step guide to keep you and your floors looking good. Sweep, dust mop or vacuum the floor regularly to avoid a collection of dust and dirt that could scratch or dull hardwood floors. Periodically clean hardwood floors with cleaning products made specifically for pre-finished hardwood floor care. It's always a safe bet to check the manufacturer's care guide before trying any untested product. For spots such as candle wax or chewing gum, harden the spot with ice and then gently scrape with a plastic scraper, such as a credit card. Be careful not to scratch the flooring surface. Wipe clean with a damp cloth. For tough stains, you may need to use a heavy-duty stain remover made specifically for hardwood floors. Some days you might not be thrilled to clean hardwood floors, but it should be easy when you are ready, so you have more time to do what you love. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.